Hi guys, welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. And for this video, let's do yung weekly horoscope for October 20 to 26 para po sa may mga Sun, Moon, and Rising na Virgo. So if you're new, subscribe, like, and share. Kung hindi nyo alam yung Sun, Moon, tsaka Rising sa inyo kasi importante siya, sa dulo po ng video, we have a link for this para mapanood nyo. Remember, the readings are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. At sa gusto pong mag-schedule ng private readings or spell works, or gusto mag-donate using Gcash or Maya, yung details po nasa description sa baba. And you can also use yung thanks button. Okay. Virgo. Kamusta ka ba? So we have here is the card of the Emperor. Minsan, having no control is what is needed eh. Yung papakawalan mo muna, yung hindi ka yung magko-control is actually sometimes a control itself. Ganito siya, parang yung hinahayaan mo na yung tao, maniwala sila na sila yung nananalo, pero ang totoo, ikaw yung nananalo. Being the one who is in that hidden control, yun yung yun yung akala mo ngayon parang hindi maganda yung mga nangyari. But the truth is, ikaw talaga yung nagde-decide nito. Parang nasabihin na lang natin, parang kang chess master na nagagawa mo yung move nung kalaban mo is yun yung move na gusto mong gawin niya. Without that opponent thinking na yun yung talaga yung akala niya siya yung gumagawa ng move, pero totoo, iniipit mo lang siya para malagay mo sila sa position of checkmate. So, huwag ka masyado matakot na medyo mag-let go, and also be a little bit artistic doon sa mga approaches mo. Especially doon sa mga tao especially doon sa mga incident na involve yung money sa life mo. But right now, what is your crossing? So we have here is the Seven of Pentacles. So this card is advising din kasi na when it comes to money matters, tama yung ginagawa mo na very strategic yung approach mo. That andoon na move and then review. Kumbaga sa isang chess master, di ba? Kung nakapanood ka na ng mga games, yung iba, ninonote down pa nga nila kung ano yung mga moves nila. The reason behind it is, kapag may free time na sila, inaaral nila yung mga moves nila. What could be a better move or ano yung magandang counteract nila na gagawin in the near future kung sakaling ma-encounter ulit nila yung mga ganong klaseng actions. So, this is what you should also be doing. Taking down notes. Kasi yung kulang sa'yo ngayon, paalala lang, mayroong limit ang capacity ng isip natin that we can remember only as much. So, using a ball pen or a pen and also notebook, note down everything. Don't leave it into chances. And the Seven of Pentacles also advising na medyo, andun din na, expand mo na yung knowledge mo on how to do accounting. So, kasi, andun na, you need to also double check, umiikot na nga ba yung pera? Is it really worth it? Or andun ba na medyo naglulose ka ng money? So, and also this one, ito yung mga katungdes para malaman mo, saka dapat mag-cut off. Ano ba yung mga dapat mong tipirin or i-let go in terms of your expenditures. Now, your dessert card we have here is the Nine of Pentacles. So, a lot of you guys, hindi mata masisisi. Kasi lahat naman tayo mukhang pera talaga, to be honest. Andun lang dito. Andun yung in-open mo yung sarili mo. Parang, kung alam mo yung movie na Encanto, di ba? Yung Isabella, what else can I do? Parang gano'n yung tanong mo ngayon. Ano pang pwede? Saan pa ako pwedeng mag-expand? How can I maximize? Maganaganap ka na ngayon ng parang for multitasking. Ano ba yung pwede kong way para kumita so that I will be able to add more doon sa current finances ko. So, that's actually a good thing kasi andoon na binibuild mo yung sarili mo and you're expanding yourself towards it. Now, yung foundation mo, we have here is the Queen of Wands. Ito although yes, andoon na, yung mga ginagawa mo, you're really into it. Kumbaga, this is your passion, ito na yung desire mo. Kumbaga, matagal mo itong hiningi matagal mo itong, maybe you prayed for it, matagal mong hinintay mangyari, and ngayon, meron opportunity. Andoon na may part kasi na nakaramdam ka din ng pagod. Dude, paalala lang, tao ka lang din. Napapagod din tayo. I mean, makina nga, binibigyan natin ng chance para magpahinga, para hindi mag-overheat. What more ang fragile na katawan ng tao? So, this card is advising that you also need to take time naasikaso mo yung sarili mo. Hindi all the time. It's about earning. Dude, ang pangit naman na kumita tayo ng pera, pambili ng gamot. Although in the past, yes, we have here is, gets ko naman. Sa past kasi, we have here, we do have the Queen of Swords na, well, ang dami sa inyo na hindi naman nagkaroon ng opportunity in terms of sa studies. So parang napag-aaral, may mga hindi natapos yung mga gusto ng pag-aralan or hindi na nagawa hindi na nakuha yung courses na gusto nila. So andun yung hindi kayo makapag-excel. Now, I understand na parang you're trying to make the most kung anong meron ka opportunity. Walang masama doon. But andun din that there should be limits. Andun din na you need to also give yourself the chance na, sobra na for today. You need to also find time to spend with your family or take care of yourself. And most importantly, kumain ng maayos, matulog ng tama, kasi, or even enjoy. Sabi nga nung boss ko dati noon all work, no play, that's one hell of a no-no lifestyle. Hindi ka nabuhay para magtrabaho. Magtrabaho ka para mabuhay. So, maglaki yung pinagkaiba nun. Kasi in the possible future naman, we have here is the card of the magician. So there will be fast movements na ibibigay sa universe. And one of those fast movement is yung moment of learning new things. Now, si magician, it has the blessings of the 4 elements. So ito na yung moment. So de-develop ka naman ng universe na besides sa understanding yung process and absorbing yung mga bagong learnings, yung implication or yung application ng mga items bibigay din sa'yo. And most importantly, yung not just the applications of it, but also the proper timing on when to execute it and to whom you should execute it, even where ka mag-execute, even the how. So, everything will be given to you. And yung timing dito, ito yung pinaka-importante kasi minsan yun yung kinukulang din sa'yo, the timing. You will start to understand na, okay, naramdaman ko ito ngayon, ko ito gagawin, then you will do it. Okay? So I hope na if you're resonating sa readings natin, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. But for now, let's continue yung reading. So your emotional environment, we have here is the card of strength. O sige, pagod na tayo, di ba? So, in terms of, nakakalungkot lang na pinapata mo sa tao na you're okay, you're happy, pero ang dami sa inyo na deep inside, ang dami yung concern, especially with your family. So, pwedeng magulang, kapatid, anak, minsan, mga pamangkin. Naghahanap ka din na sana magkaroon na kami ng time na makabuild naman ng relationship kasama sila. Or magkaroon ng moment na malala, yung mga moments, sana malala din nila ako, kamustahin, hindi lang yung kapag may kailangan sila. Yung point na, kakamustahin lang. Na hindi may kukunin, but because andun na gusto lang ma-rebuild or gusto lang ma-reestablish yung connection. Because in the physical environment, we have here is the 6 of Wands. Movement is very important para sa'yo ngayon. Ano te? Sige lang. So, movement is very important din para sa'yo ngayon. So, ayun. So, andun yung point na the card is saying na minsan kasi nagpapanggap ka din sorry sa term, minsan nagpapanggap ka na okay ka lang. Mahirap yun. That's very wrong. Magpapanggap tayo. Mas maraming energy ang ginagastos doon. Kasi kailangan na yung facade, yung mascara, laging dapat constant. So the cards are advising you, this time be true. Pag hindi mo na kaya, just say. Kasi may mga tao sa paligid mo, willing naman silang makinig. Wala man silang magawa para maibsan yung problema mo. Pero yung the mere fact that they are there to listen, that is enough actually para sa you. Kasi yung hopes and fears mo, we have here is the Page of Wands. So medyo this is specific in terms of relationship between parents and sa kids. So, hindi ko lang kung ikaw yung parents, ikaw yung magulang dito, Virgo, ando na you really miss your kids and hope na, alam mo may mga moments I wish na magkaroon ako ng, maka-establish ako ng memories with them. Memories that will help me make it better in the future. Well, if ikaw naman ikaw naman yung anak, andun yung moment na, sana magkaroon yung magulang ko, magkaroon ng time, hindi puro work. So, it's something that the universe will find a way para ma-provide sa'yo. Because in the near future, we have here is the Page of Swords. So, the universe will allow you guys to find a way to establish things. Kasi ko-connect natin yung future na ikaw, yung magician. So, although binigay na lahat sa'yo ng universe, yung mga kailangan mong, yung pwede mong gamitin. But, how to use it, ibang usapan yon. So, this is where the application will happen. Now, paano dahil sa application? Nakakatuwa lang. Kasi the application will be given to you through the means of learning. Yung learning will come in many ways. 1 or 2 or even a combination. Pwedeng, it will be a download from the universe. Pwedeng narinig mo, may nagturo, or indirectly may mag-a-advise sa'yo, or andoon na, minsan yung parang sign lang mababasa mo, mga billboard. So at yung moment na maging open ka, kasi the universe will be finding ways to communicate with you in very unconventional times. I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo. Again, those readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And if you're new, subscribe, like, and share. So Virgo, maraming salamat sa'yo. God bless. Namaste. Hare Krishna and blessed be. And hope to see you soon from Ililica in Baguio City. You have a great day and I'll see you sa next videos natin. Bye for now.